So here's my refrigerator. It is packed, man. It is like on overload. Most important things, let's see. If I had to pick out just a few items, you know it's obviously my provolone. Here's my, it's like my Jeffrey Dahmer meat here. There's the sweet superside, the provolone, the meat section, some KFC chicken. We got a bunch of fruit in here. There's lemons, there's salad, there's oranges. What else I got here? I got the 10 chocolate milks in here from KFC. I got a bunch of cold cuts. A lot of cold cuts. I got some chicken down there. So there's a tremendous amount of food. I got ice cream. I got ices. I got boneless chicken bites. I got Nathan's French fries. I got some sausage chicken nuggets here. Got food everywhere. Got some whipped cream, ricotta. Got peanut butter and jelly. I got some Romano cheese, Peter Luger sauce. Inside the Apefather's refrigerator.